Hello guys, and welcome to this tutorial. Today we'll create this piece in FreeCAD using these dimensions as a reference. So first we'll create a new file, clicking this icon, and here we change to part design workbench. We create body, create sketch in YZ plane, and here we go to sketch geometries and select this polyline tool and go to sketch. Okay. Escape, and now select this vertical constraint tool. Okay, and now let's go to this reference model and see the dimensions. So for this face we have 191, this 10, this dimension, and this dimension, these angles. Okay, so we come back, and here the first thing to do is to select this equal constraint and select these two lines and make it equal. And now we select this perpendicular tool and set these parts perpendicular. Okay, and now we select this origin point and this point and make it horizontal. Okay, and now we'll give dimensions to this sketch. So first we select this horizontal distance tool, and here we select this line and change this length to 91 and this line to 100. Okay, now select this tool, change this length to 65 and here to 50. Okay, and now we select this constraint angle tool and select these two lines, and here we give 185. Okay, and here is 85. Okay, and we select this vertical distance tool, and here we change the length to 10. Okay, and select this parallel tool and select these two lines. Okay, so now we have to finally constrain this sketch, so we can select this point and select this horizontal distance tool, and here we change it to 50. So this sketch is full constrained, so now we close this sketch, press home and select this pad tool, check this option, symmetric to plane. Okay, in this reference model we see a pad of 50, so we change this length to 50 and click OK. And now we select this face, and here we create the sketch from this face. Clicking this isometric view, select this tool and extract this edge, and here we select this cycle tool and draw this cycle. Okay, sorry, and now we select this vertical constraint tool and select this point and this point. So this sketch is full constrained, so we leave this sketch, clicking this icon, and now we select this pad tool, check this option, reverse it. Okay, and now click OK. And now we will create this pocket. So we have this dimension and this dimension. So here we select this face and create a new sketch from this face, and we go to sketch geometries and select this tool and extract this edge. And now we go to the centered rectangle tool, clicking this line and draw this rectangle. Select this horizontal distance, and here select these 2 points, change length to 5, select this vertical distance, select this line, and here we set this dimension and close this sketch. Select this pocket tool and here in the type we change to triangle. But as you can see, this pocket is not correct. What we want is to the pocket in this way. So here what we have to do is to go to this direction, and here we change to select reference, and we select, for example, this edge, and you can see that this pocket now is correct. So click OK. And now the next step is to do these two pockets. Okay, so here we have this dimension, this diameter, and this radius. So we go to this model, and here select this face, create a new sketch, and go to sketch geometries, and here we select this tool, external geometry, and extract this edge, and now select the circle tool and draw the sketch in this point. Select this tool and change this diameter to this dimension. Leave this sketch. Okay, and now we go to pocket tool, and here we set, for example, 15. Okay, and now we select again this face and create this sketch. We use this tool to extract the edge of this wall. Okay, and use the cycle tool to draw this cycle, and here we select this tool, and the diameter of this cycle will be this dimension. Sorry, I missed something here. We go to this pocket, double click in this sketch, and here we change to 25. Close this sketch. Okay, and now select this sketch and go to this pocket tool, change the length to 2.5. Click OK, and now we get this wall in this pocket. Okay, so the next step is to draw all of these parts. Okay, so we come back, and here we create a new sketch in YZ plane. Switch to section view, click in this icon. Okay, use this tool to extract this edge, and here we use this rectangle tool and draw this sketch. Okay, in this reference model we see a dimension of 50, and the height is 25. We have this 10 and this 15. So here we go and select this horizontal distance tool, and here change to 50. Now select this tool, and here change to 25. Okay, and here we can see that we have this distance 15. Select this horizontal distance tool and select these 2 points and set the distance to 15. Okay, and close this sketch. Go to FreeCAD tool, check these options, symmetric to plane. Okay, we see a part of 35. So change here to this dimension and click OK. And now we will create these cycles. So we select this face and create new sketch. Switch to section view, and here we can see this. So now use this tool and extract this edge. Select this cycle tool and draw this cycle. We go to this reference model, and we see a diameter of 40. Okay, and the path of this cycle is 60. Okay, and go to this model, select this tool, and here change the diameter of the cycle to 40. And now select this vertical constraint, select this point and close the sketch. And now we go to we select this sketch and then click on mouse and go to attachment editor, and here we go to Z direction, and here we change to 5 and click OK. Go to this pad tool and here check this option, reverse it, change the length to 6, click OK, and now we get this part. So now we select this face and create a new sketch, switch to section view, and here we select this tool to extract the geometry of this cycle. Select the cycle tool and draw this cycle. We know that the diameter of this cycle is 25, so select this tool, and here change to 25, click close, go to this pocket tool, dimension to triangle, and OK. So we have this, and now we create a new sketch in YZ plane. OK, switch to section view. Okay, we can see the dimension of the pocket is this dimension. We have 10. Okay, we come back to this model, and here we extract this. Oh, sorry, we select this tool and extract this edge. Okay, select this command, this rectangle tool, and we draw this rectangle. And here in this reference model, we see this dimension and this dimension. So okay, select this vertical distance tool, and here change the distance to 10. Here to this dimension. Okay, sorry. Okay, so here we use this tool and extract this edge. Now select this horizontal distance tool, and here we set 10. Now close this sketch, go to pocket tool, change the dimension to triangle, and here check this option, symmetric to plane. And now we get this piece. Okay, we finish it. So thank you for watching this video.